Hi, this is Will, and in this video I will show you how you can backup your Asana projects. As you can see here, I'm already logged into a small demo account, and to get started you can go to ProBackup.io and then click on Start Now to create your ProBackup account. In this case I've already created an account, so I'll just click on Sign In. Once I'm on my ProBackup account, I can click here in the menu bar on New App. And then here you will see all of the SaaS apps that we are currently backing up. In this case, I'll click on Asana, which brings me to the first step of the onboarding process. As you can see here, it's a quick 4-step process. And in the first step, you will need to log in to Asana to authorize ProBackup to your account. So this redirects me to a page of Asana. Here I need to click on Allow to grant us permission. Then on the second step, you can choose the backup scope. So on this page, we will list all of the workspaces that you have access to in your Asana account. In this case, it's just one workspace, so it's pretty easy. But if, for example, you have some private workspaces, then you have here the option to exclude these from the backup scope. Here I click Continue. On the third step, you have the option to sync your data backups to your own Google Drive account. So when we backup your data from Asana, in the first step we always sync it to our own servers with heavy encryption, and then from there you have the option to also sync a copy of those data backups to your Google Drive folder. And in this case we will then create folders for each of your projects, and then also Google Sheets for each of your project files that we update each day dynamically with the new with the latest information from the data backups. For now, I'll skip this, and then I'm already on the last step of the onboarding process. So here I can just review some information. When I click on Start Backup, then my first Asana backup is already in process. So depending on the size of your account, it can take up to a few hours for the first backup to complete. But once that is done, we will send you an email, and also from that moment on, we will send you or we will automatically backup your account once every 24 hours. So there's no further action required from your side. We do the scheduling for you. We back up all of your data. You can see here which data types we are backing up once every 24 hours. So it's a very quick and easy process. I'm already settled at this point. So as you can see here, I see slowly the data being pulled in from my Asana account, and I think here it's already completed because my Asana account in this case was very small. So and as my backup data, or as my first backup is already completed, I can now visit the backup step to already access the data that's stored in my Asana account. So I click on Backups. Here you see again all the data types that we are backing up. If I click on Task, I can select the workspace, team, and projects from my account. In this case, I just have one project. And here I'll see the task similar to the layout of Asana. So I see the assignees, the status, and all of the custom fields will be backed up as well. Subtasks are backed up. And so if you click, for example, on a task, you can also see the information here. And from here you can restore a copy of that task or export it to Excel and do whatever you want with it. So this is just a very quick video on how to get started. If you have more questions about ProBackup, then we strongly recommend to check out the other videos on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.